Hey, what's up, everyone? As you know, I trade like small caps and based on the gappers and the high of the day Momo scanner from Trade Ideas. But today I took another trade. You guys didn't see this trade here. I was watching BA Boeing, so I found the pre-market areas that we have like resistance at 173. It reached 173 and it was fading away, so I set my order like 173.05 and I left the stock, and I got filled here on once we broke the pre-market high. And I didn't pay attention to this stock for the whole time here around 12 o'clock. So I found it was going down here, so I said let me just wait here, maybe we can get a bounce of the VWAP. So it bounced off the VWAP, so I took my profit around this area here at the 178 area for the whole dollar here, and I was waiting for a dip again, so I took it a position here around the VWAP. So I was holding around 177 area, 177. So I was holding, so it bounced back again. So I took a profit on the way up around 179 area, 178 something here. So that was really a great trade here. I took 200 shares and I was adding on the way up. I was all together 325 shares. That was a really solid trade here on Boeing. Right now I'm still seeing a resistance around, let me see, around 180. So if it breaks 180, I'm gonna go long. We have a high of 179.97. It's almost 180. So if it breaks 180, I'm gonna go long again. So right now I'm not gonna trade it after the market. I'm gonna trade it tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to take a trade around the bounce of the VWAP. So I'll watch the price action tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna take another second trade here on Boeing, but that was really solid trade here. We traded on the day, and on the morning today we traded MCRV. That was really good day. So I'm really happy for the day, and I hope tomorrow we're gonna get solid day as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow and on YouTube, and I'm gonna see you guys on the chat room in Zoom. Stay safe, stay green, and I'll see you later, guys.